Hi and good morning, everyone. So, I am, regenerating myself. I'm enjoying, I'm recovering my post COVID. So, the energies are on the top. And today I came out in my park, and day by day, I'm increasing my exercise. Like, I took 3 rounds yesterday of my park, and today I made it an effort to make 4 rounds. So yeah, there was less energy, but every day I'm taking baby steps to get back to my optimum level. Though I always vibrate at that level, but I'm trying my best to recover. And the nature is helping me. The nature is so kind and so beautiful. It's really helping me in that. I sit here, I just enjoy the peace and the calmness that's here, the air that's there, the warmth of the sun that's there, the chirping of the birds, the music, beautiful. Everything is wonderful. And of course, friends, I have my Healy along with me. Healy is like my all time with me, my best friend. You can say any damn thing. So I'm taking a protection program from this, a general protection. So I've come out, so I want myself to be protected. So I'm taking a general protection program from Healy, and it keeps me protected. Thank you so very much, and do call me to experience about Healy. Bye bye.